Imagine watching a video just like you're doing right now and making $3,000 every single week. United States, United Kingdom, India, Philippines, China, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, South Africa, Botswana, Australia, or from wherever in the world, you can set up this passive income stream for free. Hey everyone, welcome to Money Machine. First of all, congratulations to Ashley Brooke, who commented her favorite football player and won the $1,000 premium course. And in this video also, I'm gonna give away that $1,000 premium course. Guys, just type your favorite rugby playing nation in the world. Type my favorite rugby playing nation is and type your favorite rugby team and stand a chance to win this $1,000 premium course that will teach you to run 9 profitable YouTube channels and earn 6 figures monthly. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. Search for trending video games. Don't worry, you don't have to play any games out here. And find 3 of the most popular games by the time you search. Well, sometimes this may vary. By the time I'm doing this video, the trending games are Fortnite, Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto, Roblox, Among Us, League of Legends, The Legend of Zelda, Animal Crossing, Rocket League, Spider-Man and all. I don't know when will you be watching this video. No worries, just choose the trending game by the time you are watching this video. You just have to follow this strategy. Well, this is just an 8 to 12 minutes video, so make sure you watch each and every second of this video, and if you skip a second, then it will be a waste of time. It's Fortnite. Now go to YouTube and search for Fortnite. And you can find the most popular video out here and open it in a new tab. You can see this one has 642,000 views and it has published just 12 hours ago, so this may be a popular topic. You go inside the video, just pause it and go to adpaylink.com, and this is a URL shortener that will pay your link, as they say. It's a best URL shortener and you can get more money from every single link. With highest CPM rates, we promise you to increase your income until 325%. And they have daily payouts, minimum payout, it's just $5, highest rates, automation tools, 10% for referral bonus. Well, you can do that as well. I'm not gonna tell you about this in this video. And they transfer your withdraw within hours. PayPal, Perfect Money, or bank transfer. The bank transfers will be available all over the world, so don't worry if you don't have PayPal. And let's sign up. So for this video, I'm creating an account as a beginner for you to understand. Sign up, just give a username, email, your password, re-enter, agree and register. Then it says your account has been created, please check your email and maybe your spam folder to activate your account. So go to your email and confirm your email. I know you can do this simple stuff. And after signing up, just sign in and see your balance. It's 0, obviously. You have to go to tools and multi-link, then go to YouTube, copy this link and paste here and shorten the link. Every time someone clicks this shortened link, you get paid. This is a shortener that basically when someone clicks it, they will see a quick little advertisement and will be redirected to your video or whatever the link you shorten. You may ask yourself, why will this site pay you when people click that shortened link? Well, I said when someone clicks the shortened link, they will see a quick little ad and redirected to the original link. The advertiser who owns that ad pays this site for showing that the ad, and you will get a portion of the revenue that this site generates by advertising, just like YouTube ad revenue program. So now the problem, how can you get thousands of people to click on this link so you'll get paid thousands of dollars? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get thousands of people to click on this shortened link with this simple strategy that you have to set up just once. I repeat, just once. This will only take less than 15 minutes and you can do this from anywhere in the world, as I said earlier, and get paid every day. But here's the warning. If you skip a second of this video or do not watch the full video until the end, you might not fully understand the entire strategy and you might eventually fail to make any money. So it's really important to watch all the way until the very end to learn this step-by-step strategy, while there will be some bonus tips to maximize your earnings just like a snowball. The next step, go to pcgamer.com. This is the global authority on PC games. According to SimilarWebs, this site gets 31 million visits per month. Most of them are from the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Germany. If you come to AdPay link, publisher rates, they pay $13 per thousand clicks from Germany, 10.5 per thousand clicks from Switzerland, 9.77 US, 9.63 UK, 8.3 Canada, 8.2 UAE, 7.8 Hong Kong, 5.8 Australia, and so on. For other countries, they pay $3, and you can go through this and see. So according to SimilarWebs, most of the visitors to pcgamer.com are from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Germany. And come back to PC Gamer, go to forum, and let's search for Fortnite. Here you will get thousands of questions and articles about Fortnite. So find the most trending topic of this game at the moment. You search on PC Gamer, go back to YouTube and find a video related to that trending topic. Here it will be Fortnite cheat codes. Copy the same topic and go to Google and search for an article. You can go through and find a good article. So I'll use this article. Copy this article, then go to docs.google.com, get a blank document, start a new document, paste this article you copied, then get the keyword you searched and make it as the heading of this article. And go back to YouTube and find a popular video related to that keyword. Open it, get the link, copy the link, go to AdPay link, tools, multi-link, shorten the URL, copy this shortened URL, go back to Google Documents. In the beginning of this, you can type, click here to watch how it's done, and paste the URL. Then copy this whole text, go back to pcgamer.com, they say your account is currently awaiting confirmation. You know how to confirm it. And go to post a thread and post what you copied, and all that 39 million people will see your article, and thousands of people will click on your link every day. By the way guys, you can choose other trending games and do the same, so you'll get more and more clicks on your shortened links and you can make tons of money. And we have come to the end of this video, and guys, if you have any problems, you can comment down below. I will be replying each and every question you comment down below, and make sure you comment your favorite rugby playing nation and stand a chance to win that $1,000 premium course. If you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. and I have another 2 free videos on the screen right now. You can go check out those videos as well. I'll see you tomorrow.